By the end of this video, you should be confident enough to perform any task that you would ordinarily do on a laptop on your phone. You know how you would want to do, like, let's say you want to do a certain task, or you were asked in an interview that you should do that this task require a laptop, and you would say you would avoid that task, or you avoid that work, or you just leave it and be sad because you don't have a laptop, or you want to start certain things and you say, okay, I can't do this because I don't have a laptop. So by the end of this video, I would have shown you how to be able to use these apps, use different softwares and tools, or perform certain actions that is limited to laptop only by using your phone. Hi guys, my name is Dominion Momo. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and yeah, that is what we are going to be doing today. I hope you learn from it and I hope it helps you. Okay, so I will be using my Gmail, both the in-app version and the Google version, to show you the difference between a software that is different on mobile phone and on laptop, so that you can see very well how this works, like in real time. And so you can see this work in real time. So we're going to open my Gmail. So this is my Gmail, and you can see clearly how it looks like from my phone. You can see the what do they call it? You can see the features that are available here. See, these are the features. If you check my email, there's no such thing as filter, even though the web version has a filter for it. So now, if I go into my Chrome app, and I'm using Chrome for this, if I go into my Chrome app and I check my Gmail, it's loading. Okay. So this is what your Gmail looks like with when you just check Chrome with your mobile version. But the way to access the desktop version of this is really quite simple. All you have to do is just hit the desktop site setting. So let me go back. You see these three dots at the top right. You click it, you scroll down and you see desktop sites. When you hit your desktop sites, it will reload automatically. So I'm just going to put it in landscape mode so that you can see better what I'm doing. Now, if you can see my screen, and if you can remember how Gmail looks on your mobile phone, or if you have a laptop that you can compare and contrast, you discover that this desktop version looks exactly like how it looks like on a on a laptop. So as you see, there are a lot more what do they call it? There are lots more features that you have on this desktop site than when you use your mobile phone, or when you just use the normal website version for mobile phones. Like you can see here, we can add labels, which we cannot do, if we if you are using your mobile phone. You can also see that you have filter here, which you also cannot have with on your normal mobile phone. This is the difference between the mobile version and the um um and the web version for the desktop sites. Now, this is not just limited to Gmail. You can also find this in different websites. Any website that it has a restricted or a different version for both when you use your laptop and when you use your mobile phone. If you use the desktop setting, it will allow you to use that version that is created for just laptop. So with this, you can use any website or any tool, or any websites that is restricted for just laptop only. You can use it on your phone. This means that if you are giving a task, or if you are giving a or if you want to apply for a job or a course or anything, and they say that the number one rule is that you must have a laptop, for certain purposes, to be able to accept certain software or certain website or certain tools, you know that you can still join that course, you can still get that job, you can still get those things that you want to get using the desktop version. Remember, you get it by clicking the three dots in your top right corner, and then to you scroll down to desktop sites. Now, why this feature is available on most search engines. I use Chrome for this, but you can use any other search engine that you want to use. On the iPhone, I think it's restricted in some search engine. But I know that if you are using Opera Mini on iPhone, you'll be able to access this particular feature. Please note that this particular feature uses a lot more data than your regular browsing. So it's not something that you want to do very often if you are very conscious of your data consumption. But if you need it to access any feature that is restricted to mobile phones, you can go ahead and turn on this feature. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, like and follow me on my YouTube channel, and make sure to hit this subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.